Bismillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Introduction and ta'wuz. Objectives of discourse. To convince you that the Quran is easy to understand. To teach how to understand the Quran the easy way, using word for word study. To help you pray Salah effectively with khushu' humility by teaching you 7 surahs and adhkar of Salah so that the effects of Salah are reflected in your daily lives. To teach how to bring the Quran into our lives. To teach basic Arabic grammar using TPI and spoken Arabic. To teach 100 sentences of Quranic centric spoken Arabic. Quran is easy to learn, to understand. Allah says, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ. And we have indeed made the Quran easy to understand and remember. To say that Quran is difficult is a scientific trick. Can we be among those who negate Quran? Astaghfirullah. The book of the Quran is called Mushaf. Hafizi Mushaf, which is generally used for memorization of the Quran. Usually have 600 pages. Each page has 15 lines, and approximately 9 words appear in each line. This means every page has 135 words. To simplify, if we consider 130 words per page, then the Quran has 130 times 600 words, approximately 78,000 words. Every surahs and adhkar recited in a typical prayer, Surah Al-Fatiha, and the last 6 surahs, Surah Al-Falaq, Surah Al-Nas, Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Kafirun, Surah Al-Nasr, Surah Al-Asr, and adhkar of salah. Dua after adhkar and wudu, tasbihat of ruku' and sajda, tashahud, durud, and 2 important duas. And learn few Arabic grammar rules. Then, inshallah, we can learn 232 important words that occur 41,000 times in the Quran. More than 50% of the words in the Quran. Every second word that occurs in Quran is from adhkar of salah. The above are the contents of this course, which can inshallah be learned in 20 hours. Isn't the Quran so easy to learn? Unique approach of this course. We don't start with dry lessons such as هذا بيت كبير. When you're going to repeat هذا بيت كبير, perhaps if you have an Arab neighbor and the toddler comes to you crying, you take him in your lap, and to console him, you say هذا بيت كبير. That may never happen. Our lessons would start with Al-Fatiha. Talk to Allah 25 to 30 times a day. Practice Arabic language with Allah. What an amazing start. And right on target. We spent almost an hour for 5 prayers talking to Allah in Arabic. Why not start from there? It is the most common sense approach, and it is valid for every Muslim man, woman, old and young, and even for a child. We can improve our salah. Salah can be improved by the following. Try to set slow. We don't want anyone to talk to us at very high speed. Let us not therefore talk to Allah very fast. Concentrate on the words that you say in Salah. We don't accept anyone talking to us while his mind is somewhere else. Let us then not to do the same with Allah. Recite with feelings and emotion. We don't like to sit even for a minute with a person who talks to us like a robot. To avoid whispering of shaitan in salah, make sure that we keep all of our brain channels busy. Along with recitation, we should try to focus on tajweed, translations, message, visualization, and recite with feelings. Ta'wuz. We should recite أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم before reciting Surah Al-Fatiha or Quran. Let us first learn its translation. Below is the format of the of the translation in this course. Arabic text is given in the first row. The second row contains a word-for-word translation. This is followed by the explanation of the word in the third row. Recite the complete Arabic text first, then read each word along with its translation, and at the end, read the translation of the complete text. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ, I seek refuge. Safety first. Buckle up. Get protection. Billahi, in Allah. Be in Allah, Allah. Min الشيطان, from Allah. Min means from, more than 3,000 times in the Quran. Ar-Rajim, the outcast. Do you think Shaitan is close to Allah's mercy? He is rejected, outcast, thrown away from Allah's mercy. Remember the context to memorize the meaning. We know Allah is above the heavens, but He is very close to us. He even knows what we think. Recite the above with firm belief that Allah is responding to our requests. Who is Shaitan? Our biggest and most dangerous enemy. He has huge experience of making people slip from the time of Adam alayhi salam. He made even Adam alayhi salam slip in Jannah. None of us can be smarter than Adam alayhi salam in resisting Shaitan. Shaitan has told Allah that he will attack us from the right, the left, the front, and the back. We cannot see Shaitan nor hit him, nor convince him to be good. The only solution and the most powerful solution is to recite A'udhu Billahi. Shaitan disobeyed Allah and was thrown away from Allah's mercy. This Rajim wants us to follow him and become like him. He is there to take us to the hellfire. Therefore, feel the insecurity caused by attacks of Shaitan and ask Allah for protection the way a desperate beggar asks for food. Each one of us has a Shaitan with him or her, and he will continuously attack us in our home, office, the market, while we are alone, or with mobile, or with friends. We are in a state of continuous war with him. First habit, safety first. Run to Allah for protection. This is the habit of a successful person in this war against Shaitan. This is the first of the 12 habits that we will learn in Surah Al-Fatiha. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.